How to add AfterPay to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to add AfterPay to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From here, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App profile section, where you can manage your account settings, personal information, linked banks, and several other options. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Support. After tapping it, wait a moment for the support page to finish loading before continuing. This is the Cash App support section, where you can browse through different help categories. Under the Browse Categories section, look for and tap on AfterPay. Here you are in the AfterPay support section, where you can find information on how the service works and how it connects to your Cash App account. On this page, look for and tap on Adding AfterPay. You will then land on this page. Cash App is showing you the steps to follow in order to add AfterPay to your Cash App account. If you have followed these steps and AfterPay is not working for you or the feature is missing on your account, then come back to the previous page, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Chat to start chatting with the support team and explain to them the issue you are facing, and they will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. I hope this tutorial helped you add AfterPay to Cash App. That is how to add AfterPay to Cash App.